My name is Jack, and I want to do a video for everybody in this whole world. I was just saying, we can do most best things in the whole world. If we eat things that are the most important things to eat, we get stronger. If we get stronger, we'll get more muscles. If we eat everything that we need to eat, we'll be more stronger that we can do. We can lift up more pounds. We can do everything. Minerals are the things that you want to eat, like vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E. It's all in. You have to eat it all. I eat iron, which is things in broccoli, which is those little circles on top, and that's what I eat. And
what other things do you eat that have good nutrition?
I do not eat carrots because I hate them. But I do eat banana and peanut butter, and that's what I eat. And if you can say I love it because I love peanut butter. If you like peanut butter, go ahead and eat it because...
Is it healthy?
Yeah, it's healthy. So eat it. Eat all the peanut butter you need.
What is healthy about peanut butter? What's so good about it?
It has some protein in it.
That's true.
And that makes you a stronger person.
Uh-huh.
And that's good.
Is there fat in peanut butter?
No.
No fat?
No fat, but maybe just a little teeny pinch of fat.
Just a pinch?
Yeah. It's just like sausage. Sausage has a lot of protein,
yeah,
but a teeny pinch of fat.
Okay.
And
well, now, are cupcakes good for you?
No, they are bad.
But they taste so yummy.
Yeah, they're sweet. That means that it's actually bad because it has sugar in it.
Oh. So
do not eat how much cupcakes you want to eat. No. No. Because they have a lot of sugar.
Okay.
And icing, still do not eat it because it has a lot of sugar. It's just cream sugar.
Do you eat some once in a while?
Yes, you eat some once in a while.
Just not every day?
Yeah. I just only had a cookie, and that's it. I did not eat anything else except protein, which is wings.
Yeah. Did you have any vegetables?
No, I did not have any vegetables today.
That's not a good thing, is it?
No, that's unusual because I do not eat vegetables that much.
Okay. All right.
Today I'm going to introduce you to the content you will be learning over the next couple of weeks. Nutrients. Take notes because I will be asking questions at the end of the lesson. So first, why are nutrients important? An adequate supply of nutrients can provide energy, build and repair tissue, regulate body pressures, and help with circulation, respiration, and digestion. There are 6 classes of nutrients. Carbohydrates, which are your main source of energy and a major fiber source. Protein, which are your structural building blocks. Fat, another energy source, but also where a lot of energy is stored. That is also used for cell repair. Water is a solvent and a lubricant. It helps with the transport of nutrients and temperature regulation. Vitamins are involved in chemical reactions, and minerals are involved in enzyme functions, nerve impulses, and bone structure. Carbohydrates, protein, and fat are all your organic nutrients. whereas water, vitamins, and minerals are your inorganic nutrients. Essential nutrients can only be found in food. There are two types of essential nutrients: organic nutrients and inorganic. Organic nutrients all contain carbon and must be broken down to be used by the body, whereas inorganic nutrients are already in its smallest components. Poor nutrition leads to malnutrition. There are many characteristics to differentiate between good nutrition and poor nutrition. Good nutrition is characterized by an alert expression, firm pink gums, a firm abdomen, normal height to weight ratio, emotional stability, healthy appetites, normal sleeping habits, and seldom illness. Poor nutrition can be characterized by apathy, easily fatigued, overweight or underweight, a slumped posture, you're frequently ill, a poor appetite, insomnia, and diarrhea or constipation. So let's take a look at each class individually, starting with carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for the body. It is the least expensive and most abundant of all energy nutrients. The functions of carbohydrates are to provide energy, spare protein, maintain normal fat metabolism, and provide a major source of fiber. There are three main carbohydrate groups: monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides are the simplest form of carbs. Monosaccharides are absorbed directly into the bloodstream from the intestines. Disaccharides are pairs of monosaccharides, as you can see here. Disaccharides must be changed to simple sugars by hydrolysis before absorption. Polysaccharides are the complex carbs. They are composed of many monosaccharides. Polysaccharides include starches, glycogen, and fiber. Fats, otherwise known as lipids, are organic compounds. They are greasy substances and insoluble in water. 1 gram of fat is equal to 9 calories. Sources of fat can come from either animal or plant foods. Some animal foods with fat include fatty meats and fish, dairy, and egg yolks. Some fatty plant foods include cooking oils, nuts, and avocado. You can actually see the greasy substance that is fat in most foods, but in other foods you can't. Butter, margarine, lard, and cooking oils are all fats that you can visibly see. Egg yolks, cheese, cream, and salad dressing are all considered invisible fats, which means that the fats are not immediately noticeable. Now let's talk about protein. Most of the protein that we eat comes from meats and dairy products. The number one function of protein is to build and repair tissues. 1 gram of protein is 4 calories. Proteins are large compounds made by combining amino acids. There are 20 amino acids used to build proteins. Proteins that don't have all 20 amino acids are called incomplete proteins. Protein sources containing all 20 amino acids are referred to as complete proteins. Choosing complete protein sources will ensure you are getting all of the amino acids that your body needs. But some amino acids can be made in the body and are not essential to your diet. Amino acids that cannot be produced by the body are called essential amino acids, which should be included in your diet. So we'll end here after learning a quick preview of the organic compounds, and we'll continue discussion next class period about an introduction to inorganic compounds. But first, before I let you guys go, we're going to take a quick quiz, so get out a piece of paper and answer these 3 questions. Question number 1. What are the 2 types of essential nutrients? Choose from one of the 4 following options. A. Carbohydrates and protein. B. Minerals and vitamins. C. Organic and inorganic. Or D. Monosaccharides and disaccharides. Number 2 is a fill in the blank. Poor nutrition leads to what? Last question. How many calories are in 1 gram of fat? A. 4. B. 6. C. 9. Or D. 32. Please turn in your paper, guys, before you leave.